Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Art Indulgence. The first and most important thing is to make a blueprint of the design which we are going to make. This is the final design decided with the client. Now you can see the final workpiece in the day and in the night mode. Now we will start the procedure. Materials needed are MDF board or ply, clay, colors and some embellishments. I have taken a tokery of 15 centimeter dia for the base as client wanted the inner space to be 15 centimeters. Now I am cutting the tokery with a heated knife to give it a shape of open nariyal. As my client wanted the height to be 15 centimeters too, so I am taking the thermocol pieces and giving it a height of 15 centimeters. Measurements play a very important role in any design consideration, so I am measuring it again and again for design accuracy. Please do take some extra centimeters for some clearance space. I had some pieces of thermocol, so I am taking two pieces. You can take a single piece of 15 centimeter or whatever the height you need. Paste the thermocols very firmly with a proper amount of fevicol as we need our base to be strong. Place it at a distance which we have measured. Now my thermocols are pasted properly. Now I will paste the tokery on it. Now my base of thermocol and tokery is firmly placed. Now I will place some thermocol vertically to give it the shape of a means cone of the nariyal. Covering it with the newspapers with the help of sellotapes. Place the conical shape which you have made from newspapers and thermocol on the top of the tokery. Now I will cover it with the layers of newspapers, means so many layers until unless it turns into the outer shell of the coconut. You can see I have used lots and lots and lots of newspapers to give it the proper shape. Our base should be strong and should be of proper shape, then only our outer look will be perfect. Now you can see the design of the base which we have created. It should be really strong. Next I am layering it with clay to make it more stronger. This clay batter is a mixture of ceramic clay, water and fevicol. If you want the complete description of this batter, how it's made, please do comment below. I will make a video on it. Layering it with at least 2 coats of clay. As it will dry, it will make the base more and more strong. Now you can see how strong it has become after drying. I am removing the extra dirt particles. Here I will place a mirror which I have bought from a photo frame shop, cut in shape and pasted on MDF board. I am using glue gun to paste it from inner side and will seal it from both sides with the help of clay. For making the peacocks, I have taken hardware wire and thermocol. Hardware wire twisted in shape of neck of the peacock, and for the body I have taken the thermocol. After shaping the neck of the peacock from the hardware wire, just insert it into the thermocol, which is the body of the peacock, and cover it with the clay. Making the another peacock with the same method. I think camera is too far, so video is not clearly visible how I am making the peacock. If you want a clear video, please do comment below. I will make another video showing how to make the peacock. My base for peacocks are ready. Now I will cover it with the clay. Oil your palm and take the clay dough. This clay dough is different from the clay batter which we have made earlier. For the complete recipe, do comment below. I will make another video for the whole recipe of the clay. Peacocks are taking shape. Now I will paste it with the clay on the top of the mirror. You can just see the picture how I have pasted the peacocks. Let the piece dry for the whole day, and after 24 hours when it is completely dry, I am coloring the piece with acrylic colors in the shade of light and dark browns. Doing the outer boundary with black. For the base I am using silver color, which is actually not acrylic colors. This is powdered aluminium mixed with some varnish. You can see the packet of that powder color. As I have used silver color, so I am using silver sparkle and pasting some broken mirror. Please be careful in pasting these mirrors. My work is almost complete. Now I will decorate with some embellishments. I am using some laces, some flowers. All embellishments, flowers will be pasted with the help of glue gun as it will be easier to paste with it. Now it is the time to paste some lights. These lights you will get readily available in the market. I am using individual battery for each and every strip of light. Now I will paste the feathers as my client wanted original feathers. Otherwise I would have used some disposable plastic spoons you can see in my other works. Finally it's time for embellishments to be pasted. For giving the real look I am pasting the original coconut shells. Lastly I have painted the peacocks and added some more flowers and seashells.
सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव रत्न खचित भरा तुझ
Do subscribe my channel, like, share, follow, comment on Insta and FB and WhatsApp for online classes and order works. Thanks for watching.